Good morning, students. Welcome back to your accountancy subject. As you may be knowing that we are with the sixth chapter of your accountancy, and here at the end part we are discussing about the rectification of errors. Here we are correcting the errors which are being made by us in the account. So almost in the previous session we had discussed about one of the illustration, and same one of the next illustration what we are going to make over here. And in this illustration we will be having the adjustments means how you correct the situation, how you correct the mistakes what you have done, the errors which you have made in the accounts. So that we are going to discuss, and few of the journal entries in the name of suspense account we are going to remove some of the accounts, ledger entries we are going to pass here. Then here almost everyone is having the question what I have already sent to you, the question which we are going to discuss in today's session. So just I will be highlighting the things which we are going to discuss over here. See, rectify the following errors assuming that errors are detected after the difference in the trial balance. See, these errors are found after the trial balance is been prepared. Before trial balance it is different, and after trial balance it is different. Now trial balance, debit and credit column is not getting tallied. So that time what you make here, if these both entries are not getting tallied, you are going to find it out where the errors are there. So that errors we are going to find it out, and we are going to pass the entries for it. Okay, so almost in the theoretical part we were discussing that time where we are going to maintain these accounts we are going to see. And one more thing, we are not going to make the correction in that same place, just like erasing this figure, just like 1500 one of the amount is there, just like you can't erase here and make 1200. These kind of things are not allowed in accountancy. If any of the changes in amounts are there which you have made the wrong entries, that will be directly taken separately in the suspense account. Now what this suspense account means and where we are going to pass this journal entries, we are going to see. Now here almost the accountancy rules and the understanding of your journals will help you to find out the things here. Okay, let's see. See, the first question says that a credit purchase of rupees 200 has from Ram has been debited in his account. See, credit purchase of Ram is been debited. So means what, from Ram we have purchased the goods, credit purchase we have made from Ram. So it should be debited in our column or his column. That has to be understood first. Now here, this is what one of the error is been found out. Now for this error, what entry you are going to pass? Now here almost we are going to get and understand here which for us when we purchase the goods, what it will be debited or credited. I need answer from you. It will be debited or credited when we purchase the goods for us. I need an answer from you. When we purchase the
So
goods,
what is the question?
the question says that it is a credit purchase of rupees 200 from Ram. So we will be having the debit entry, right? On purchase.
Yes, sir.
Now here the errors is been shown, find it out. They are found a error. Like Ram has sold the goods for us. We have purchased the goods, right? So for
Yes,
Ram
sir.
it should be debit entry or credit entry for sales. Yes. When you sell the goods, you will be making debit entry or credit. Still don't remember the points? Everyone, see, everyone is present over here. I need an answer from you only now. Why? Because I have taken the writing work from you. Just like you need to remember the rules of accountancy. Otherwise, you are not going to clear these concepts. Yes? See, when you
Yes, sir.
purchase the goods, what entry we pass? Purchase account debtor, it will be, right?
Yes, sir.
Then when
Yes,
you are
sir.
selling the goods, you will be getting the revenue. Then you
Yes,
are
sir.
going to take it in the debit column or credit
Credit.
column.
Sir, credit.
Then
Sir, debt.
debt. Yes, Dilshad, you are wrong.
Sir, credit entry.
Yes. So here what the mistake they have done, when Ram has sold the goods, it should be taken for him as a credit. They have taken here
Yes, sir.
debited, right? So there is
Yes,
a error.
sir.
Now that's why I told you to make perfect with the rules. What the rule says, when your assets are increasing, what you are going to take here? Debit entry.
Yes,
Yes
sir.
or no? When your assets
Yes,
are
sir.
decreasing, you make it in a credit, right?
Credit. Yes, sir.
Then how you are
Yes,
getting
sir.
forgetted for this? See in the accounts subject, if you are perfect with these points, the rules what exactly we call here, then only you can go with the accounts, or else no. The understanding makes you perfect over here. So this is what lack of knowledge we call over here. If we are having lack of knowledge, we can't go or move forward. So for this purpose, you need to remember these rules. Till the life ends, you are going to be a commerce students. Okay. For this, every time when you are purchasing the goods, your entry will be debit. When you are selling the goods, you will be the credit. Credit side you
Yes,
are going
sir.
to make here. So when we have purchased the
sir.
goods from Ram, their account is debited. Ram's account is debited means it is a wrong entry. You have to find
Yes,
it out
sir.
first. Searching the errors means what? They will not tell you this is wrong thing, you have to do this. No, just they are highlighting this. Like this is an error which has been found. When you are purchasing
sir.
the goods, whatever the goods you have purchased from Ram, so you can't debit his column. Our column will be debited, not his column. His column will be credited. That has to be remembered. So on this entry, what you are going to pass the journal entry now here? Now here you are going to remove the suspense account. Suspense account in the name of Ram. Why? Because his entry is taken as a debit column. It is wrong one. So here the first answer for this journal entry, that is first entry, what we are going to take? Suspense account. Suspense account data to Ram's account. Now see, what is the amount which is debited over here? 200. Now 200 amount when he is selling the goods, that has to be taken 200 goods sold. Now you have made 200, this will be in the credit column, right? Now you have made a debit entry with 200, right? This you are going to shift with the credit. Yes or no? This amount which you have made here, deduction here, that has to be shifted over here. So amount will be 400. The amount has to be 400. Why the amount has to be 400? Do you have any of the idea why I have taken this 400 now? Why we took this? We would have taken only 200 there, from this debit column to there. Why we have taken this 400? Tell me now. Can you imagine this? Why we have taken? I am asking you the question. Why we are taking this 400 rupees amount? Any idea about it?
Sir, no idea.
No idea.
No, sir.
Okay. About others?
No.
Idea, sir.
Why? Because this is what you have taken the debit. That has to be shifted over here. Right? Got the idea? This amount,
Yes, sir.
wrong entry, we
Yes,
are
sir.
transferring to credit column. Okay? And when
Okay, sir.
Ram has sold the goods, 200, that has to be reduced or no?
Yes, sir.
So we are taking this.
Yes, sir.
Now got the idea?
Yes, sir.
Okay. What about others?
Yes, sir.
Everyone has got the idea. See, this adjustment we are making over here,
Sir.
ये वापस भेज रहे हैं और यहां से हम आप क्या करोगे 200 सेल कर रहे हो ना आप 200, तो वो यहां पर कितना हो गया अभी यहां पर 400. तो यहां पर नरेशन क्या रहेगा, बीइंग द रेक्टिफिकेशन wrong, due to the rectification of wrong debit instead of credit, given to instead of credit given to Ram's account. This is what the narration you can write here, description or the narration. So what it is, now whichever the errors we are going to make, in the previous session I told you that you are not going to make just like this rounding up or as scratching this and writing here the amount, you can't make in the accounts. If you have done the mistakes, these mistakes just by reading you can show this and remove it separately. In the suspense account you can show it. That would be a better. Why? Because when you make this kind of things in the accounts, it makes more doubts. It creates more doubts for the people who see the statements for that purpose. Okay, so this was the first entry. Now let's move for the second entry. So second entry is what? A sum of 80 paid to Krishna has been debited to his account as 81. Sorry, 81 rupees was told. Sorry, 80 rupees was paid to Krishna, has been debited to his account as 18 rupees. So here we are having the error. Actually, it should be debited to him. How much rupees? 18. Actually 80 rupees he has to get, but here it is 18 rupees is been debited. Now what is the difference between these two amount? The entry is correct, only the figures are wrong now here. The figures are wrong. What is the difference between these two figures? 80 minus 18, how much? 62.
62.
62 rupees. Now 62 rupees we are going to make here the adjustments in the suspense account. So whose account it is? Second, I am reading one more time. Listen here. A sum of rupees 80 paid to Krishna. 80 rupees has to be paid to Krishna. Remember, has been debited in his account only 18 rupees. Only 18. So what is the difference amount has to be paid for him still. So here Krishna's account data, Krishna's account data to suspense account. To suspense account. So what is the difference amount over here? 62. This amount is clear. Now what you can write here? Being the rectification of under debit given to Krishna's account. So this will be the entry with the narration. Now only here, first it was wrong entry. The credit entry was made in the debit column. That was the wrong entry. Then here we are having the wrong amount entry. Means here the amount is paid wrong one. So we are having this entry. Got the things? Everyone is clear with this concept?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Clickers, any of the doubts? Concept clear है कि नहीं? Both clickers, you are clear with these concepts or no? Tell me fast so I can proceed over here. Let's move for further one. See, if you are having any of the queries right now, you can ask and clear it. Why? Because later on we will not be remembering the points which we have taught or which we have discussed now. So it's better at same spot you can clear with your doubts. The third point is the total of sales return has been overcast of rupees 100. Now overcasting is been made on the sales return. Now obviously if the amount has to be paid just like 900 rupees, overcasting means here 100 rupees they have given extra. Overcast means 100 rupees ज़्यादा दिए हैं. Okay, so just like this example you can take 1000 rupees are paid. For sales return, this much was their amount. 100 rupees excess means overcast, मतलब ज्यादा 100 रुपीज दिया है. तो यहाँ पर एंट्री क्या रहेगा? इसका सस्पेंस अकाउंट डेटर रहेगा और सेल्स रिटर्न क्रेडिट रहेगा. So next entry comes with the suspense account. Suspense account data to sales return account. To sales return account. What is the amount over here? Only 100. The amount difference is only 100. Whatever the amounts are being paid or taken for the return, you need to remember this. Okay, overcast means what? Extra money you are paying. Undercast means what? Less one. So these points has to be remembered by you. If you remember these points, it will be very easy to rectify these errors. Rectify means correct the errors. So this is all about. Okay, so here what will be the narration for this? Being the rectification being the rectification of over debit given to the sales return account. So this is what the entry for this. So even this entry get completed over here. Okay, this was a third entry. The third entry got completed. Now what about fourth? See, the fourth entry has been told as the total of purchase return has been undercast. Whatever the purchase return you have made, what goods you have made the purchase, you are made a return means goods you have purchased from ABC person. Just like you have, we can take the example, you have purchased goods from Mohan. Now if you are returning the goods, what has to be taken the entry? Here the amount is undercast means just like if you are returning 1000 rupees goods, returning the purchase return, you have to make 1000 rupees, but you have made 800 means the difference between this is 200 means undercast. You are returned it less one the amount for this or goods of this. So this is what we are going to make here for the suspense account. We are going to take it. So this amount differentiation we are going to keep it in a suspense account. So what will be the entry for this now? as same as this. What sales entry you have done, this was overcasted, now it is undercast. So here will be suspense account debtor to, now what we are made here, purchase return we have made. So to purchase return account. Purchase return account. What is the purchase return account over here? What is the amount now here? 200 rupees is the difference. That's it. Only 200 rupees is the difference over here. Then, as usually, the same entry we can pass. This, just you are going to take this word changing. So what will be the entry? Being the rectification of under credit given to the purchase return account. This is what the fourth entry. So this was the fourth entry. Now let's move with the fifth. So what is been told in the fifth entry? See, the discount column of on the debit side of the cash book has been overcasted rupees 250. Now here in the debit column you are making the overcasting, means extra amount 250 rupees you have added extra for the discount column. Okay, in the discount heading you are making 250 rupees extra, means what? That has to be shifted to the credit side. So see here, the entry is what? The debit column, sorry, the discount column on the debit side. Discount column, the ledger account, whatever you have removed. In that, if you are seeing that the debit side of cash book is overcasted, the discount column, the discount heading is been overcasted in the cash book, has been overcasted rupees 250 rupees. Now here, this account has to be shifted over here. So what will be the entry? As usually, the suspense account we are going to remove here. So here, suspense account data to discount account. What is the difference over here? 250 rupees. 250 rupees is the difference amount you can show over here. Then what will be the narration for this one? Being rectification of over debit given to discount account. This is what? Suspense account which has been removed for the discount account. Here the rectification of over debit given to the discount account. So that is what the error which was found it out, we have solved over here. So this got 5 entries clear. Now next we will shift to the another few. So check it out, what answer may be for the next entry. So try if you can make any help for me. अगर कुछ हेल्प कर सकते हो तो आप ट्राई करो. Okay, so this is a sixth one. So what is the sixth point? It has been told for you. A sum of rupees 100 received for commission has been debited to the commission account. So see, the commission account, the sum of rupees, how much it has been told? A sum of rupees 100 received. See, when you are receiving, it is to be debited or credited. Do you remember this? Whatever the commission is been received, the word, remember this, the sum of rupees 100 received for commission has to be debited to commission account. So whatever the commission you receive, whatever the amount you are receiving, just like the revenue, you are receiving the commission, that time it is debited or credited. Do you remember any of the point? Have any idea about it? Why? Because we have discussed it. Whatever you are getting as a revenue for you, it is debited or credited. After sales, what you do? When you receive the revenue, where you take it?
Sir, debit.
Debit. Wow.
No, sir, credit. Credit, sir.
Credit. Okay. What about others?
Credit.
Debit one. Yes, Arti? What about Bhumika? What do you say? Whatever you get as a benefit, just like a revenue part, you will be debiting it or crediting it. Yes? Tell
Sir,
me fast.
crediting.
Huh?
Sir, credit.
Are you sure you are going to credit it?
Yes, sir.
Sure.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what it means over here, see what it has been told, a sum of rupees 100 received for commission has been debited. When you are receiving the benefit, just like the income only it is for you, discount you are getting means it is a benefit for you, right? So you are going to put it
Yes,
as
sir.
expenditure or a profit. You are considering it
Profit.
in income or expenditure. You are receiving income or expenditure. Yes,
Sir, income.
income only. You are getting the discount, not you are not providing them the discount. Remember the point. When you are receiving
Yes.
some discount,
Yes.
means it is an income for you. Yes,
Yes, sir.
that has to be known
Yes,
here.
sir.
So what will be the entry for this?
The credit side.
Suspense.
Suspense account debtor to commission account.
What is the amount? Difference amount over here? 200.
200.
Okay. So what narration you can give for this? Yes. Being rectification of wrong debit, wrong debit given to the, sorry, wrong debit instead, wrong debit instead given to the commission account.
No.
Commission. So here one. Okay, next. Let's move for the next one. Credit sales, the seventh one is what it has been told. A credit sales of rupees 400. Credit sales you have made of rupees 400 to Ajay has been credited to Ajay's account. See, now the Ajay is the person who is going to receive the goods, right? When he is receiving the goods, means what he is purchasing the goods. It should be debited for him or credited one.
Sir, debited.
Yes, others,
Yes.
what you all say? Now if
Debited,
you
sir.
debited only, see, a credit
Yes,
sale
sir.
of rupees 400 is made to Ajay,
Yes, sir.
has been
Yes, sir.
credited to Ajay's account. Ajay is the person who is purchasing the goods. When the
Yes, sir.
goods are coming in, the assets, it will be debited or credited?
Sir, debited.
Sir,
Sure.
debited.
Sure, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
Sure.
what will be the entry for this? Ajay account debit to suspense account.
Suspense account.
Ajay's account debit.
To suspense account.
What is the difference over here? 800?
Yes, sir. 400. Yes, sir.
Yes, 400.
400 it is. Yes, sir.
400 was made wrong entry. Now this will be shifted. 400.
Sir, 800. Sir, 810.
Done. Okay. So narration, what we can give for this narration?
The paying rectification of
Wrong.
wrong debit instead given to credit.
Sir, wrong credit.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Wrong credit.
Instead, what you can say here? Instead,
Given to the.
given to the Ajay's account.
Yes, sir.
Debit given to the
Ajay's account.
so even this got entry completed. 7th entry. Now next 8th, what it is? One payment of rent rupees 250 has been posted twice to rent account. मतलब यहाँ पर डबल एंट्री हुआ है कहाँ पर रेंट पे. Here we are having double entry. Once month, in 1 month you have to pay only once rent, right?
Yes,
So
sir.
it is
Yes,
paid
sir.
twice. What it is been
Yes,
told?
sir.
One payment of rent rupees 250 has been posted. Here they have posted twice of to rent account. So rent account which you are paying expenses should be debited or credited for you?
Sir, debited.
Debited.
Yes, sir.
So here
Because
you are
there is a increase in expense.
double entry you have made. So here
Yes, sir.
what happens here, you know? Here we are going to take it as a suspense account data
To rent account.
to rent account.
Rent account.
So here
Yes,
the
sir.
narration will give you the idea. See, being the rectification of excess debit given to the rent account.
Yes, sir.
Excess debit given to the
The rent account.
debit rectification or of excess given to the excess debit given to the rent account. Excess debit which has been given to the rent account. So here we got, what is the amount difference over here? 250.
So 250.
Next, ninth one. What is the ninth entry? Sales book has been overcast rupees 1200. Here sales is overcasted means account data to suspense account. How much it is overcasted? 1200.
1,200.
So narration, what you can give for the narration for this? Being the rectification of over credit given to the sales account. Rectification. Rectification of over credit given to the sales account. So this got completed. Last entry. What is the last entry over here for today's class? Purchase book has undercasted. Now here you are going to have the same entry just like this. Here this side they are overcasted means what? Purchase account data to suspense account. Undercasted, right? 750.
Yes, sir.
Now
750.
okay, so here we end with this today's illustration. If you are having any of the doubts, you can raise now. See one
No,
thing,
sir.
every time I am telling you, you need to remember the rules, accounting rules. If you remember the accounting rules, you are done with that. If you are not remembering any of the rules, you will not be correct in these accounts. So in the next session, today I will give you one more